In this I'll show you how to watch Peacock with subtitles. Step 1. Start playing a video. Open the Peacock app or website, choose a movie or TV show and begin playing. Step 2. Access subtitles settings. While the video is playing, click on the CC icon in the playback controls. Alternatively, click the settings gear icon for more options. Step 3. Choose subtitles language. In the subtitles menu, choose your preferred language. Some content may have multiple language options. Step 4. Adjust subtitle appearance. If needed, adjust the appearance of subtitles, such as size and color. These options may vary depending on the device you're using. Step 5. Enjoy the show with subtitles. With subtitles enabled, continue watching your content. If you want to disable subtitles, simply repeat the process and select off. And that's how you watch Peacock with subtitles. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and if you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.